Used components for the project. M.M.S D1R1 ESP8266 Wi-Fi module. KY005 IR sender. LB3320 voice recognition module. 2 3.7 volts battery. 1 watt 5 ohm 40 mm little speaker. Component assembly results. By using a transparent acrylic box, all the components can be assembled efficiently. Construction steps for software function. Step 1. To get IR codes of all buttons on the remote control. Step 2. To design voice recognition command. Step 3. Program for IR code and voice command value.
打开风扇，关闭风扇，打开风扇，最大风量，舒适风量，开始摆头，停止摆头，关闭风扇，
Extras. Repeat the above 3 steps for increasing control over TV. Finally, we will show the daily life application. Place the device in a position suitable for emitting signals to the controlled appliances.
打开风扇，开始摆头，打开电视，前一个频道，前一个频道，后一个频道，增加音量，增加音量，增加音量，你讲过了，
没关系。
后一个频道，开始摆头，
停止摆头，
停止摆头，最大风量，
停了，
舒适风量，后一个频道，后一个频道，关闭电视，关闭风扇，
Why M.M.S D1R1 used, not UNO or NANO. When we setting LAN IP for M.M.S D1R1. And summarize output formats. We'll easily get the execution results in the browser. Furthermore, if the web content is integrated into home automation system, The results will be updated immediately. When starting, fan status is off.
打开风扇，
Then, fan status changes to be on, and speed is minimum.
增大风量， 开始摆头，
Swing status changes to be on.
舒适风量， 停止摆头， 关闭风扇，
Finally, fan status returns to off. In addition to the appliance, system icon stops rotating together.